In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country on PayPal. Now, the first thing to understand is that PayPal does not let you simply switch your country from a drop-down menu. Once an account is created with a specific country, that setting is basically locked in. So what we're really doing in this tutorial is walking through a safe workaround, closing your existing account and then recreating it with the new country you want to use, while keeping the same email address. Start by opening your browser and going to the PayPal website. Log into your account the way you normally do. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard, also called the account summary page. This is where you usually see your balance, recent activity, and any linked cards or bank accounts. From here, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, usually right next to the logout option. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This takes you to your account settings. On this page, you can manage your personal details, security settings, and other preferences. Now, as you look through these settings, you'll notice there is no direct option to change your country. This is by design. PayPal ties your account country to local regulations, banking systems, and available features, so they don't allow a simple change after the account is created. Because of that, the only way to change your country is to close this account and then create a new one, selecting the correct country during the sign-up process. Before you close anything, it's a good idea to make sure you've withdrawn any remaining balance, resolved any open disputes, and downloaded any statements you might need for your records. Once you're ready, stay in your account settings and look for the option that says Close Your Account. It's usually found in the Account or Profile section. Click on that and follow the prompts to confirm that you want to permanently close your PayPal account. Read each message carefully so you understand what will be removed and what you might lose access to. After your account is closed, you can go back to the PayPal homepage and start creating a new account. This time, when you choose your country during sign up, select the new country you want to use. You can enter the same email address you used before, as long as the previous account tied to that email has been fully closed. Complete the registration, add your local address and payment methods for that country, and you'll now have